Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid logo. We'll dive right into the process, starting with understanding what a grid logo is and why it's such a powerful design tool. Grid-based designs offer incredible precision and visual balance, making your logo look professional and well thought out. You'll want to have your preferred design software ready, whether that's Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, or another vector program, to follow along with our easy guide. Now, let's get to the core, creating your grid. Begin by selecting a grid type that suits your logo's aesthetic, perhaps a simple square grid or a more complex golden ratio. In your design software, set up your canvas, ideally at least 1000 by 1000 pixels for good resolution. Then, carefully draw your grid lines, ensuring consistent spacing. A basic 2x2 or 3x3 grid is an excellent starting point for many designs. With your grid in place, it's time to build your logo's elements. Use those precise grid lines as your blueprint to draw foundational shapes. Focus on maintaining consistent line weights and smooth curves to ensure a cohesive and professional appearance. Don't be afraid to experiment by combining simple geometric forms, like circles, squares, and triangles, to create unique designs. Always ensure every element aligns perfectly with your grid for maximum impact. For our final step, we'll refine and export your new grid logo. Carefully review your design for any subtle misalignments or inconsistencies that might have slipped through. Next, apply a thoughtful color palette, generally sticking to 1 to 3 colors for maximum impact and versatility. Once you're completely satisfied, remove the underlying grid lines. Finally, export your polished logo in essential formats such as SVG for scalability and PNG and JPEG for web and print use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.